Here we are, 256 garage. Yeah, y'all, I was gonna get a video of him actually working with a block before he run off to do an estimate.
You better hurry up, I got things to do.
Well, till you get that truck sanded, you better not move. Working on this thing, we found a few spots we fixed on the hood. Gonna reprime the hood and the fender for sure. We're blocking the rest of it 320.
They put me back here doing this where nobody can see it.
Yeah. If it looks good when it blocks out with 320, we'll leave it alone and we'll move on to the final sand of 600 and paint it, hopefully. Got this little insurance job in. Run in the back of something, I believe is what happened. Looked like a trailer hitch. He rear-ended. So, rear-ended somebody. We're gonna have to replace shutter. Not a whole lot to it. Shutter, bumper. Pretty simple job. We ain't started on the little Cutlass yet. We just got in and out of the weather. Got Junior working on this Toyota. It's gonna be insurance totaled it. The lady wanted to keep it. So we're gonna fix it, have it inspected for her, and put it back on the road. We put a little piece of a dog leg in right there, put some suspension parts on it, and by we, I mean this guy. And we're gonna put a door on it. Wasn't nothing bad. It's just an older model car. Edwin has this, it's a 60 model panel truck. Putting the cab, or the, well, looks like we're putting Velcro boxes back in the floor instead of metal. But putting, I guess, body mounts. Replacing the body mounts on it underneath where the bolt goes through.
It's
That's
like
the new one.
He's doing like that guy off of Square Max Customs. That's his CAD program.
Oh,
Those boxes.
Felpro's CAD Pro.
Yeah, that's a CAD program.
And Toyota's going back together. Larry decided he wanted some more pieces painted. The tailgate looked rough, old dead paint, so we're gonna fix and paint the tailgate. It's going back together, a few pieces. Somebody else tore that thing apart. We didn't take it apart, and it's been a mess trying to get the parts to put it back together. Found a few more parts we were missing, and it's going back together. Walk over here to this side. I need to turn the booth off. I guess surely it sucked enough heat across that door. Painted a Toyota, I believe it's a RAV4 door. Heater tore up this week, so we had to rob this heater to fix this heater. That was the problem. But turn the booth off, that'll give us a little more, where it ain't as loud. But got this here Toyota painted. Hopefully it'll be ready to ship back out. Put the door handle, mirror, door panel, that kind of stuff back on it. Let me touch the tape and see how dry it is. Okay, it's a cold day. It's taking a while to dry. That's what we got going on here at the 256 Garage. Thank y'all for watching.